Oh, hey. You know, this quarantine is really putting a damper on things, so I have to get my groceries delivered. They didn't come yet, so for dinner tonight, I have to see what I have in my refrigerator. Let's see. Hot sauce, ketchup, milk. You got some peanut butter left. Oh, got some marshmallow cream. Fluffernutter stuffed French toast it is. Ah, what? Why don't I know what's in my refrigerator? What are you, a troublemaker? Come on. Yeah, of course I knew I was already in the kitchen. Now you've seen the Elvis stuffed French toast video, so you're already familiar with the peanut butter on top of the bread. But we're also going to have to add the marshmallow cream. And then we're probably going to have to, okay, it shouldn't be that difficult, do that. Now then. Oh, that's right, I'm supposed to batter this, otherwise it wouldn't be French toast. Well, you're all familiar with the coating process by now, so we're just going to skip right over to the frying process. And I know I've already shown this part to you before as well, but you'll also know how much I love that crust. Oh, and it was 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the first side and 2 minutes and 15 seconds on the second side. Medium high heat, of course. There, now it's time to eat. Actually, I'm not really hungry anymore, so... who am I kidding? Wait a minute, isn't it really whom are we kidding? Nah, who cares? See, even when peanut butter is safely secure between two pieces of bread, it still sticks to the roof of your mouth sometimes. Well, actually, that's not exactly what it did, but it's still kind of hard to chew, but not hard to chew like it's bad or anything. It's because, you know, peanut butter is naturally kind of, well, I mean, you've had a peanut butter candy bar, and shut up and finish eating. Well, that's mean, but okay. And that's going to do it. And, what? Yeah, of course I enjoyed it. Why do you think I didn't enjoy it? Oh, I didn't say I enjoyed it. I sure didn't. Well, yes, I did enjoy it. Anyway, that's going to do it. And by now, you know just where to look for the recipe. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you... What? Make a joke? What kind of joke? About being nutty? Oh no, I already did a joke like that in the Fluffernutter cheesecake video. Anyway, what? I don't have to end everything with a joke. How's I gonna end it? Well, I'm trying to end it, but you're interrupting me. You got some nuts, fuck. Hey, didn't I tell you this is a family channel?